Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to upload videos on YouTube using your phone. YouTube has updated a lot of the features and the app now is fully functional. Let's dive in. Let's launch the YouTube app first. The first thing that you wanna do is to click in the middle of the lower screen. Click on the plus sign and let's start uploading our content. In this particular example, I am going to select this video over here. Let's first of all pick up a thumbnail for our video. As you can see in the top left corner, there is a small plus sign with a small image. You want to click on it and let's pick a thumbnail. We're going to select this average white just for the example. You can pick up any thumbnail that you created. You can use Canva to create your thumbnails. There is a bunch of different pre-made thumbnails which you can edit and change the colors and background and font if you don't know how to create your own thumbnails. Just pay attention guys, having a high quality thumbnail it's always recommended simply because YouTube algorithm always recommends best content out there. Best quality videos, you will see more and more people are actually shooting in 4K, 5K, 6K. So this is something that you definitely want to pay attention to. Second step of course is to create our title. You want to usually depend of the niche, depend of the type of content you're creating. You want to focus on two types of titles. You want to be extremely niche down and in the title pretty much explain exactly what is going to happen, or you want to create a title with a lot of suspense, meaning that you essentially ask a question or you at least present a plausible outcome of the video. So this is what happened when I did this, or you can say I did this, what actually happened. You see the difference? Then after you finish with the title, all you gotta do is to include the description. The description on YouTube is probably one of the most important part in comparison with any other of the platforms. You want to make sure that here you include a lot of story, a lot of explanatory, step by step. A lot of people are actually including timestamps, which helps the viewer to find exactly what they're looking for, so they don't click off the video. Then you can include location, something that is very common, nothing special over here. My advice for you guys is if you're creating the same content for the same topic, to create a playlist. As you can see, you can hit the plus sign and create a brand new playlist in which the more content you publish from the same topic, the person who finds your videos is more likely to watch more videos, which is always good for you, good for YouTube. Everyone wins. So having everything organized is simply rolling over video after another. Simply is making things much easier. And last but not least, guys, you can essentially turn off the comments if you don't, like reading people's comments, so don't want to allow people to use the comments. That's all you have to do at this point. Then you click next on the top right corner. And last but not least, you want to make sure that the video is not made for kids. Essentially, this is it, guys. Simple, clear visual. The more videos you upload, the better you will get, the faster the process will look like, and things will make much more sense for you. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.